Hi, my dear students. Here the one more problem from the trigonometry of 10th standard. It may be state or CBSE syllabus. Here the thing is prove that 1 plus secant A by secant A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Here how to prove this? Here actually this is the problem belonging to check LHS go to RHS. So on that purpose I am going to take LHS part, that is 1 plus secant A divided by secant A. You know that one secant A, that the reciprocal of what? Cos A. On that basis, here 1 plus secant A, I want to write that one as 1 over cos A divisible by secant A. This also take the reciprocal 1 over cos A. Okay. Here you may take the LCM 1 plus 1 by cos A. Cos A is the what LCM? Take that cos A as a LCM. Cos A 1 za cos A plus 1 whole divided by 1 by cos A. Here you may reduce cos A. Why? Cos A in the denominator here. Here also cos in the denominator. You may reduce cos A 1 za cos A. What is the remaining? You are getting that is cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. This is what LHS part. Now I am going to take RHS part, that is sin square A divisible by 1 minus cos A. Here you know that on sin square A, you learned the formula sin square A plus cos square A is equal to about 1. Here I need sin square A, transpose this cos square A, then that becomes minus, that is sin square A is equivalent to 1 minus cos square A. Here 1 can be written as what? 1 square minus cos square A. It is in the form A square minus B square is equivalent to A plus B into A minus B. On that basis, it can be written as 1 square minus cos square A. It is equivalent to 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So it is having the two factors, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So on that basis here I want to write 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Then the part of what? Sin square A. In place of sin square A, what I written the two factors? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Here 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A divides. So what is the remaining? That is remaining is 1 plus cos A. Here observe, take this as LHS part as equation 1 plus cos A. Here RHS what you obtained, that is 1 plus cos A. Therefore both are equal. Means equation 1 and 2 are equal. So you may declare LHS is equivalent to RHS. So that is the solution. Thank you, my dear students, for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my channel. Thank you, one and all.